Alright again, welcome to this channel. Share your story, Ronnie Harwell. And of course, if you does not subscribe to this channel, please subscribe and please don't forget also to like to my video and comment the comment section that I may know who are really supporting to this my channel. And if you have also a channel, I'm gonna support you too. Alright, it's a good day or to all of us, and here we are. And well, before we go into this story, um, I just want to recognize for those people are really supporting to this channel, and I'm so very happy because still we're going to go on and growing, yeah, just like you or we are here in this social media of YT. So that's why I just want to thank you for all of you are always supporting to this channel. Follow my channel and of course to this coming subscribers and who also are staying to this my channel, and also for those for all the visitors coming to my channel. So thank you so much. And here we go. And I just want to share with you, and it's really difficult about the life of being a pastor that I'm gonna share to you because I'm also a pastor. So one of the viral now, what happened in the Louisiana, uh, USA, and I'm so sad to share with you, but it's really fine and it's really good for all the standing with a pastor. But there are few people are also are judging him. And life of a pastor is not just an easy how to protect his family and how to protect his the church he is pastoring to. Well, pastor's life, it needs of a pastor's heart, and you have not only do you have a preaching on Sunday or Friday or whatever Bible study, and a pastoring is a great way of ministry. Also, it's a very difficult way, but pastoring is one of the great counseling through the way of the Word of God. But here we go about the life of Pastor Tony Spiel, and he is now well known because of that viral from for 6 years he's struggling and with his not only his family but also to all the congregation of the Life Tabernacle Church, which is the Pentecostal church. Well, and there's a lot of uh, sharing of commenting of what is really, and I saw it is really 90% of people are really appreciate how pastors protect his family and protect the church. But also sad to say because instead the police will help the pastor and the church, but the pastor, yeah, the policeman or the sheriff, they came and he was take or get him from the church and then he put into the jail. But afterward, he get out to from the jail too. But this neighbor, their neighbors was a very um, fanatic, and they are very they respectful because of the people they are trying to persecute. They are trying to destroy not only the pastor but all over the church. So I just want to share with you, and we're gonna talk about uh, this video what will happen, and I hope everyone will um, learn about the situation are going on, what happened to life of Pastor Tony Spiel. But for me, I really appreciate what he done. All right. Well, because he really loved his wife, he wanted to protect his wife, his family, his kids, or his daughters, his son, and of course, and the church. So, as a pastor, not only as a pastor, and he's also a father and a husband from his wife, and also he is a pastor from the church. Well, here we go, and we can look about this situation about this. All right. So let us watch on this way what will happen to this. Okay. So here we go, and let us watch some of this. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, all right. We'll go back here again. How it started. Uh, okay. The pastor is here is from other side, and the guy was trying to um, he act what a kind bad acting. But before that, I just want to share with you what will happen for this, because um, the pastors are going to go to that guy and asking why he wanted to, because that guy wanted to he shout to the pastor that if you are not in your house, I will rape your wife. Oh no. And I will rape your children, and I will kill them all, and all the church also. Wow. So the pastors heard everything, and this is a very bad threatening for him, for his family, and for the church. And now, how about the church? So the church, when every service, this guy and also his parent are really supporting that bad guy. So all the church goers in every service, they are watching and they are trying to show their guns, especially the father of this bad guy, and they wanted to uh, an act, or they wanted to something. This is a very bad threatening to the church, to the body of the church of life, tabernacle church. And of course, as being a pastor, he trying to protect his the church, and especially when this guy shouted to Pastor Tony Spio, and he say that if you are not if you're not in your house, I'm going, because they are only by neighborhooding. Okay, they are neighborhood on that particular area. So, and the church also is there. Well, and this the bad guy also is trying to the black people are this family are trying to discriminate, the black people. And uh, but the worst thing in the 6 years of struggle of the Life Tabernacle Church, the pastors and all the church and have an evidence of the video that what they're going on. Sometimes they show their guns, they wanted to shoot it, and also the the bad guy is always talking about the bad words, and even his mother, and or even his father trying to, well, this is a worst thing that this family this really are really not good. And these people, I think this family have no, they don't believe God. Oh no. So after all the 6 years, so the pastors of the church and the elders is trying report to the police, but the police never been entertaining of this, because the bad things is, this bad family is, their friend is the policeman, especially the head of the sheriff. So within 6 years, they don't have anything. All right, they don't have anything doing. But the worst thing is, uh, the church and the pastor was a bad way from them. Oh no. I'm very sorry. How can I term the word terminology that I can use this? But the policeman did not entertaining this way. That's why it's getting worse. So this family is abusing, wanted to destroy the pastor, his family, and the church. So they are, because they have, yeah, the policeman is on their side. So now, in 6 years, here we go. In 6 years, the bad guy was shouting to the pastor, and he say, if you are not in your house, if you go in the town, wherever you go, I will rape your wife and I will rape your children. Yes, and the members, especially your family, I will kill them. excuse me excuse me, I'm so very sorry. So I will kill them. That's I this is very sad to hear this from the pastor. So the pastor Tony Spiel is not really nice, and really not good in his in air in his while he listened to this. When he heard this, even when I heard that, I don't know what I'm going to do this bad guy and his family. But now, I'm after all, when Pastor Tony Spiel heard this, he went to the bad guy and he wanted to talk. It is really seeing on this video. The Pastor Tony Spiel did not, okay, did not started for a fight, but I believe he wanted to talk to this bad guy. Well, here we go again. Let's us see on this video again. All right. Up. Yeah. 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 That's why that I said this bad guy started, but Pastor Tony trying to, right? So look again. Yes, he was walking there. He's running because there's a car from coming, so that's why Pastor Tony Perez is wanted to go fast, because there's a coming a pickup, okay, from that road. So Pastor Tony stopped there. We saw what happening to that, right? And after all, yeah, Pastor Tony trying to hold up what? Because Pastor Tony saw this bad guy wanted to smack him. But here we go. How many times? One, two, three. Okay. So that's why it's only three. Okay. But Pastor Tony trying to protect it. See? Hell, that's a big problem today. Of the people are not, don't know how about the Word of God. So I'm very sad about this, because of the situation are coming for this. So that is Pastor Tony. If you look on that pictures, that is Pastor Tony, and onto that photos, Pastor Tony and his family, the black dress, okay, Former will, where his wife? And Pastor Tony hugged his wife when Pastor Tony was getting out from the from the jail. And after all that, the second Puto is they went to the church and they have a good service. So with a good meeting together with the church, and Pastor Tony have also a small blood from his head because of a job. Yeah. So that's the reason why. But let us see the whole video. What happened in this? Yeah. He shouted help. Oh yeah. Yes, because he thought he's a pastor, and the pastor will know we don't he don't anything he can. But this bad guy started everything. But the pastor's trying to talk to him. Of course, the pastor is also a human, and he had a weakness. But there's some people are trying to destroy him because of that dignity. But for me, I'm although the pastor was on that side that he need to protect his own self, but because of emotionally was there now, yeah, he tried to, yeah, to show that a pastor is not just to preach, but the pastors were going to protect his wife, his family, his kids, the church together, that we have a freedom. So in 6 years, 6 years, they are really struggling for that. Well, it depending on you how you judge, but on the this is a viral now, but almost the people are really, especially, yeah, understand about the situation. So 90% of the believers are agreeing in the pastor side, and yeah, but we cannot deny that there are some also are trying to destroy Pastor Tony Perez. But all I can see is always on the side of Pastor Tony Perez. Spiel, I meant. So that's it, and I hope you got this story again, okay, from the life of Pastor Tony Spiel. And please, I just want to ask you that don't judge the books by its cover, because you don't know a real situation at the time. There's always a very short story. In 6 years, they are really struggling. So the patience and temperance, in meekness, in humble, but now, last no. Pastor Tony don't want to allow this man, this bad guy, and also the supported of this bad guy parents. Pastor Tony Spiel wanted to protect his wife, his kids, and the church, right? So that's not wrong. Even I, when somebody wanted to kill my wife or to rape my wife, and he wanted to kill my daughter and to kill somebody in the church, then well, hmm. All right, that's it. And may the Lord bless you all. And thank you for listening to me again. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And of course, don't forget to click the notification bell. And of course, like and comment in the comment section, that I may know you who you are. I'm really supporting my channel. God bless you all, and see you again the next upload video. Bye bye. God bless you all.